My name is Srivarsha Srijit. I'm from Kerala, India. I did my graduation in physics from Fergusson College, Pune. It's an astrophysics from Queen Mary, University of London. I like physics basically. I mean, it's really nice. It's very interesting for me. I have always wanted to know how things work, so that's why I like physics so much. When I did my graduation, I had an optional paper in astronomy and astrophysics. That's what triggered my interest in astrophysics so much. And then when I wanted to do my post-graduation and I was searching for universities in the UK, Queen Mary was one of the top universities which offered astrophysics. As my career is concerned, I wanna go on to work in NASA or CERN or somewhere like that as an astrophysicist. So obviously a master's degree in astrophysics is all the help which I can get. First I was a bit worried about adjusting to the student crowd in a different country, the whole new study atmosphere and all that. But I did not really find that a big problem here. Of course it was slightly difficult, trying to understand the different way it is taught in a different country and all that. But altogether it has been a fine experience. Professors in my department, they have been very supportive. What I found was they don't quite spoon feed us so much here. I mean, most of the time we are expected to find the material and study by ourselves. If we have any doubts, we can always go to the professors to get them cleared. You could always approach them to clear your doubts and all that. The material which was needed for my course, almost all of it is available in the library. Class for like 2 days a week, only Tuesdays and Thursdays, that too in the evenings, because half of my class were part-time students, so they had their class from 6:30 to 9:30. I live at Stocks Court, that is slightly behind the Stepney Green Tube Station. It's a university halls of residence. Really nice. Basically most of us were Indians when we came here, so that was good, right? I mean, international students, there have been some of them in our accommodation itself from different countries like Pakistan and Bulgaria and Turkey and all that. Yeah, they are all quite friendly people, and even my course-mates, for us, even the English people are international people, right? So even my course-mates have been really nice and helpful. So I've had a really good experience with the international students as well.
That's good.
Places I've seen, like St. Paul's and Lord's Cricket Ground, then Sherlock Holmes Museum. It's Diwali season, so we went to, there's a Swaminarayan temple in Neasden, so all of us, all Indian friends of mine from the halls of residences and all that, we all went to the temple. It was Holi. It was awesome. We played it in our halls of residences. For Queen Mary Career Service, 100%, because I got my 3 part-time jobs from Queen Mary Career Service. Ambience of Queen Mary is really great. Up service and then the welcome program and all that to actually make you feel at home. So you don't really experience that culture shock quite. It's more like a home away from home. You can manage it if you put some effort into it. Yeah, same with the exam, same with the syllabus, same with the dissertation. So I would recommend Queen Mary for any future students.